I want to share 3 practical tips that I learned about how to improve your prompts from deep learning and OpenAI. From the first video that I posted, I talked about how I was trying to prompt GPT to summarize my meetings, and I was having a lot of frustration. So I found this course by Deeplearning.ai that they did with Andrew Ings and someone from OpenAI, and it's prompt engineering for engineers. So I want to share what I learned. Number 1, you can denote specific things in the prompt to tell GPT which parts are instructions and which parts are text that you want to manipulate. For example, I have instructions, and in the instructions I can say the text that I want to summarize is going to be marked with 3 quotation marks, and then I do 3 quotation marks, put my meeting summary in there, and then close it with 3 quotation marks. That tells GPT which part is the instructions and which part is the text. That's number 1. Number 2 is to be able to provide steps. So in the instructions, you don't have to just say, summarize the meeting. What you can do is say, step 1, identify the language spoken in this meeting. Step 2, summarize the meeting in the language from step 1. So you can provide steps. Now, the third thing that I learned was to give time to GPT to think about it. So the example that was given in the course was it provided a student's answer to a math problem, and it said, is this right? And the GPT said, yes, it is right. However, it was incorrect. So the way that they fixed it was to say, GPT, I want you to solve this problem by yourself first. Then I want you to get the answer and compare it to the student's answer and tell me if it's right or wrong. And when it did that, it was able to identify that the student's problem was incorrect. So those are 3 things that you can do to improve your prompts. And I only watched the first 10 minutes of it. So the more I'll learn, the more I'll share. All right, bye.